welcome back to another video cast. I am going to be doing mountaintop. So I'm going to be doing mountaintop field, which isn't actually too bad of a field. It's actually a pretty good field. Oh, I thought I might increase speed too. But overall, it's a good field. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go around playing those games first. Of course, I'm gonna kill Monster Chick first. But yeah, I'm going to be getting the mountaintop view done. So hopefully I can get that done real fast. Now hopefully my oil and a few other my boosts are done being made. But once I get this done, I am going to be able to have a... I'm gonna be able to get the... Oh, there we go. I'm gonna be able to get the spirit pedal. So hopefully I get about 1 billion honey from this. So I'm already almost at 1.1 billion. I'm a little ways off by about... I'm off by about 700 million. But hopefully I will be able to make that up soon. There we go. Getting quite a bit done. So, oh, and that's gonna be helpful too. Okay, so I am going to set up my sprinklers. There we go. There we go. Now it is time to start up boosts. So I'm gonna use glitter extract, glue extract, some glitter, and some glue, and oil, and enzymes. There we go. So because there's red and blue, all my bees are gonna be super happy. So I'm going to be making absolute insane amounts of honey. Up in there. So I do not think this is going to take very long. Now I don't think I'll be able to get the clover field done too, but I'm definitely going to be able to get the mountaintop field done very quickly. But either way, I am making quite a huge amount. So almost already 25 million. Oh goodness, it's a little weird because I got over a huge cold a while back, a few weeks ago. Oh, and I'm full again. It's kind of insane how fast I'm loading money. Oops. So I've got a decent amount of like, what are these called? Microconverters. I've got a decent amount of them, so I should be okay for a while. But hopefully my boost starts to kick back in. So I've already almost gotten 50 million, so I'm already almost a quarter done. Which is absolutely insane. Now I'm gonna quickly go over here. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna wait for my speed to go down. Grab these tweets though. Wait for my speed to go down. There we go. Just carefully jump across all these moons. There we go. And I'm gonna play. Microconverters would be actually kind of pointless. Why did I do so bad there? I think I was just not paying attention. But either way, I have to keep going. So there we go. And another radioactive being. So just gonna continue looking at this field. There we go. So hopefully boost will still kick me in and I'll get my speed up. That. There we go. Now things are really starting. Come on, start. Well, it's not that it's already, like, my boosts are already going at absolute incredible speeds of, like, almost 500,000, yeah, almost 500,000 a second. Which means, by the end of this, I am going to be what? I am hitting almost 1,000,000 pollen a second? I'm only 250 pollen off. I was only 250 pollen off of making 1,000,000 a second. My backpack cannot support that whatsoever. Oh, thank goodness. Even a few seconds without filling up my backpack would be absolutely amazing. Whoa. But yeah, you can simply see how fast I'm filling my backpack. There we go. There we go. And almost full again. So now when I start using them, I'm now going to be able to pick them up from drops, which is pretty nice. Wow, that's quite good. Now I only got 50 million left. Now, while that seems huge, the fact that I'm earning 500,000 a second is also pretty huge. So there we go. Making 500,000 a second. Absolutely breezing through this. I might end up continuing on the mountain, simply to the fact, like I'm not gonna be using microcomputers. Okay, how long do I have to wait for this? 8 more minutes. But the fact that I'm simply earning so much honey is insane. Plus, it's only about 8 minutes long. But this is absolutely broken. Now, hopefully, I'll be able to get my bees leveled up to level 12 soon. Like, I'm gonna start feeding my bees quite a sum of treats, simply to get them leveled up. Because I need level 12 bees to start doing good amounts of damage to the coconut crab. So I'm kind of limited by how high of a level my bees are. So I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely insane. Oh, Puffy Bee, level 8. Talking about leveling him up. But either way, I am 1 billion already. So I simply need 500 million more, which is a lot, but not a huge amount. But either way, the fact that I owned 130 million pollen in under 11 minutes is kind of insane. But I've got about 15 million left to go. So it's going a little slower than it was. Of only hitting a peak of 200,000. But either way, I am going to be done pretty soon. And I'm thinking, oh, Star Journey 3, yes. Star Journey 5, 3, finally. Okay. Oh, nicely done. By the way, did you know the King Beetle has a 1 in 7 chance of dropping a King Beetle amulet? Also, every time you defeat a King Beetle, the quality of the amulets you get tend to go up. This caps out at 100 King Beetle kills. I hope this mechanic would make defeating the King Beetle more exciting. We'll see how that works out. Anyway, there's a bunch of stuff as a reward. I know that was hard. Nothing compared to the next two though. That was nothing compared to. Oh God. Are you serious? Okay, I'm just gonna continue working on Mother Lands because this is terrifying. Oh, get the aphid, come on. Oh, Michael convert. So I'm almost done this. Now once my boosts run out, it's I need to earn 9 million real fast. Come on. Oh, it's gonna be a little slower than with the last bit. But at least it'll be done. Now I might end up moving over to Cloverfield, maybe. Now I'm just gonna look at what this is. Okay, so oh, it actually isn't looking to be absolutely horrific. It's only 50. Whoa. Oh, fabulous tokens. Now that is going to be a little bit. Collect 5,000 token link. That'll be a little bit more difficult. Now I do have. I am gonna go defeat. Oh my gosh, scorpions. Okay, and then flying ants, and then close coconut field and pineapple patch. And oh, I still got donate blue. There we go. I gotta donate 5 blue extracts. Now the windy bee tokens are gonna be a little bit more tricky than anything else. So just gonna play this. Enzymes. I guess though, I was wrong. But either way, that was okay. 3 oils for a few million wasn't really worth it. So I gotta donate 3 blue extracts. Or 5. Yeah, there we go. Okay. 11 million. Oh, sunflower field. Actually, that's kind of a useful boost. Because this will allow me to get it done really quick. Because what is this boost? It is... yeah. Oh wow, I'm actually probably gonna hop into that. I'm gonna keep an eye on its health. So once it gets down to maybe 1 million, I'll go help out with it. By that time, my speed will be boosted up and everything like that. Oh my gosh, they're actually kind of blazing through it. Oh my gosh, they are going through it way faster than I expected. Oh. Whoa, that was way faster than I expected. Okay, we'll grab as much as I can. There we go. I am getting a good amount of rewards, not as many as I'd like, but enough to make it worth it. Oh my gosh, where is this one? Are you serious? Bamboo? Well, until the mountain boost is done, 5 minutes, it's not extremely useful. Okay, only 50 million. That isn't too bad. But yeah, once that mountain boost is done, I'm gonna throw some glitter onto the sunflower field. And just kind of grind away with it. And then of course I'm gonna activate more boosts and stuff like that. But yeah, it should be done really quickly. Mainly because of the conversion. Because if almost 50% of what I'm making is being converted, it's incredibly good. So there we go, that's pretty much the whole thing. Then that mountain boost is gone. So the mountain boost is gone. So I'm gonna go use a red and a blue. Not a huge amount of blues in here, but glitter, glue, oil, enzymes. There we go. Now, I'm now gonna have fun making huge amounts of pollen in a very short period of time. There we go. Oh, more coin scatter. Coin scatter is kind of a cool ability. It can get a little annoying sometimes, but overall, it's kind of nice when you empty your backpack. I am making so much honey. Okay. How am I making 100,000 honey, but barely any? What? Like, I'm barely making any of that. This is barely counting. Holy crap, it's low. You'd think it'd be through the roof. Like, not even not even my, beams can even really crack it. What is going on? This is kind of pathetic. So, okay, now I'm earning almost 100,000, which is still pretty low. But overall, it's not too bad compared to. Oh, there we go. Now my boosts are starting to really kick in and getting my speed and everything up. So hopefully soon I will be able to get a half decent amount of stuff from this. Okay, planted a sprout. There we go. Even more. Honeystorm has been summoned. Oh my gosh. Epic sprout. I'm making almost nothing from the sunflower seed. Okay, now where is that epic sprout? I don't know where it is. So once this honeystorm is over, I'm heading up to the pineapple field. That is exactly where I'm going. I am not missing out on epic sprout. Especially when it's this good. It appears as he is grinding this field. Now, I'll probably end up getting the sunflower field done in the next video simply due to the fact that it's just slow. And I don't know why it's being so slow, but I think it's because of the convolution weight. But I don't know. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and I hope you have a great day. And also, go follow my Twitch. It's at LLCODude, same as everything. Same as TikTok, YouTube, my email address. It's kind of insane. But I'll see you guys in the next one.